In Northwest Ohio, we have seen drought conditions for about a month now. And so in corn, that can affect dry down. In our study, Battle for the Belt, we have four relative maturities that we use. And so this is April planted corn and a 100-day maturity and a 115-day maturity. So our 100-day has reached physiological maturity, which shows a black layer on the kernel. So you can bite it open and literally see a black layer. And our 115-day, though planted on the same day, is not physiologically mature yet. It does not have a black layer and it is still drying down. And so you can see differences in moisture content within relative maturities and when they'll actually hit a black layer. So our 100-day, for example, will normally hit black layer at a drier moisture level, while our later maturities will usually hit black layer with a higher level of moisture. A normal or an average plant will have 30% moisture at R6 or physiological maturity, but it can vary by hybrid. So when we're looking at dry down, if we are maturing earlier in the season, usually you have a earlier dry down, and if you're maturing later, you have a later dry down, and that can be changed based on environmental conditions. Since we are warm and dry, we will usually have a quick dry down. And so, with that being said, we want to make sure that before we go harvest, we take a look at our fields and look at stock quality. Cannibalization can happen in drought conditions. So, then you can have more stalks falling over and having more lodging, which can be a problem for harvest. So, you want to take a look at your fields, check the stock quality, and prioritize fields with poor stock quality in harvest.